السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، الصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. Honorable ulama, respected judges, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak about one of the greatest personality in history. He was a man whose life has inspired millions around the world. His character, teachings, and actions are examples of kindness, justice, and wisdom. He is none other than our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born in Mecca. He grew up as an orphan, raised by his grandfather and later by his uncle. The people of Mecca gave him the title Al-Amin because of his honesty and good character. Al-Amin means trustworthy. His character and the way he treats others made him so special. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. The life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for every person who believes in Allah and the Day of Judgment. He was always kind to children, respectful to women, and forgiving to those who ill-treated him. He also cared deeply about justice and fairness. He thought that all people are equal, whether they are rich or poor, black or white, men or women. He said, the best among you are those who are best to others. Even in battles, he showed mercy after years of persecution. When he entered Mecca with his followers, he forgave his enemies instead of punishing them. He said, لا تثريب عليكم اليوم. Today, there is no reproach on you. You are free. This act of mercy touched many people. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life is not only a lesson for Muslims, but also for all humanity. He taught love, patience, generosity, and forgiveness. He shows how to build strong families, communities, and society. To let me share one of his beautiful messages. لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. None of us truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. This simple message can bring peace and harmony if we all try to live it. We all try to follow the lessons of kindness and humanity that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught. With this, I am concluding my words. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best examples of all humanity in every aspect of life. His mercy, love, patience, and continuity inspire millions across the world. May Allah grant us to follow our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and enter the paradise. Ameen. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
മാഷാ അല്ലാ. ചെസ് നമ്പർ 134 134.